welcome back to my new and interesting video. So guys, today's video I will share to you that how to learn English speaking without teacher. So आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. So आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे इंग्लिश सीखे बिना टीचर के. ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. So आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे ये पॉसिबल है. So today I will say to you that how is that possible. So to learn English speaking without teacher, ये एकदम इम्पॉसिबल है. वी नो बट इट इज़ पॉसिबल. ये मुमकिन है जो अगर आप मुझे फॉलो करके सब कुछ सीखेंगे, सब कुछ मेरा कहने पे करेंगे तो ये बहुत ही easy है. So if you follow my rules, what I'm saying, so this is very easy to learn English language without teacher. So today's video is going to be very interesting and very important. So first thing I will explain to you the three rules, three types, three tips as what you are selected. That three things will help you to speak English without teacher. That think that some people are just want to learn English speaking but they cannot speak English, but some problems of money, some problems of etc thing, as you can see that. And the thing is that they want to learn English speaking. So जैसे कि सब लोग इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो कुछ लोग इंग्लिश नहीं सीख सकते क्योंकि वो आर्थिक संभव नहीं है, अब उसके पास पैसा नहीं होता जो इंग्लिश सीखने के जो टीचर है उसको पैसा देने के लिए. तो इस वजह से वो इंग्लिश सीखना नहीं चाहते हैं, और वो इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता है क्योंकि इंग्लिश इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. बट वो लोग इंग्लिश नहीं सीख सकते क्योंकि पैसा इज़ वेरी make a problem. So this is the thing. So if you follow what I'm saying, so I will take a guarantee to learn English speaking. Use English speaking will grow up a high level. Yes guys, so this video I don't waste time. Go I will say the main point. Number one is try to question. Number one thing, that क्वेश्चन करना सीखो. अगर आप क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे तो आप नहीं सीखेंगे कि कैसे क्वेश्चन करें. क्वेश्चन में ही आपको अच्छा सीखने को मिलेगा, आप अच्छा सीखेंगे, आपको जानने का उत्सुकता होगा कि ये क्या है. You are exciting to learn, to know what is this, what is happen, if I do this, so what happens. So this is the thing. So today's video I will say to you that a very important thing. So hi everyone, my name is Kunal. I read in class 8. My school name is Umayat Academy. So I belong in Tripura. I'm from Tripura. So this video is very important. So number one, I will say that try to question yourself, that when you just saw in front of mirror in your body, so you just talking about yourself, that what did you do yesterday, what is this, what happened if I do this, what is your favorite color, what is etc. I think you just try to question it. So when you just question it, so you can think that your speaking power also grow up and you just learn lot of stock word, you just know lot of stock word. So in this time you just think that I know, I do it. That the second thing is that confident. The second thing is confident. So if you did not have confidence, so you cannot learn anything. If you do not have confidence, so you can never learn anything. So I will give some example to you. Like think, when a boy ride a cycle, when a boy buy a cycle, that in this time he did not know how to ride cycle. So in this time he have confidence because I do it, I do, I ride cycle. And then he ride also cycle. He just fall on to 1 time, 3 times, 5 times. Then he rides cycle because he have confidence. If you do not have confidence, so you cannot learn anything, cannot learn everything. Everything. That like English is like a same. That if you did not have confidence, so you did not learn. Like you just quit it. You just quite it like that when you just set up to sit in to read, but you did not have confidence, you did not have concentrate, did not have concentrate, you just remember lots of etc thing, lots of like game, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you just talking, you just remember in your brain this thing, but it is not. when you just talking, when you just like remember, when you just have confidence, so you can thinking that your reading also or your reading also increase, your concentration also increase, like think. This is the second, and the third thing is very important, that practice. Practice is most important. If you do not do practice, so you cannot learn anything. जो प्रैक्टिस है ना, वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है कुछ सीखने के लिए। अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो आप कैसे सीखेंगे? अगर एक बच्चा अगर को साइकिल चलाएगा, तो वो अगर एक दिन में ही सीख जाएगा क्या? नहीं, एक दिन में नहीं सीखेगा। वो दो तीन चार दिन, वो जितना उसको, जितना वो प्रैक्टिस करेगा उतना ही सीखेगा ना। अगर वो एक दिन में साइकिल सीख सकता था, तो वो नहीं बेटर सीख सकता। So when he just ride cycle one day, but he did not know that the right time, right thing, right like way. So this is the thing. So if you follow this rule, what I'm saying, so you can also learn English speaking. So अगर आप follow करेंगे मेरी rule को, मैंने जो बोला, तो वो आपको ले जाएगा आपकी मंजिल पर। वो आपको बताएगा कि आप कैसे इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं। So in this video I hope you understand, I hope you enjoy this video. So if you're new in this channel, subscribe also my channel, and my name is Kunal and I read in class 8. I will again say that if you're new in this channel, subscribe also my channel and like also. And if you have some problems, so you can ask me in the comment box, I will say to you. So thank you for watching. Bye.